Hello friends! We all love to learn about dinosaurs. That is why today, we will discuss some facts about them that you might be surprised to know. Fact 1. Some dinosaurs were smaller than a chicken. Yes, you heard it right. Not all dinosaurs were bigger than humans. The Microraptor weighed about 2 pounds. It was small enough to fit in an adult human's hands. Fact 2. Dinosaurs used to get sick just like humans. Runny nose and hacking cough were common among dinosaurs, representing respiratory illness. Imagine a dinosaur coughing too loud. Fact 3. Do you think dinosaurs were just an aggressive creature? Well, no. Dinosaurs love to snuggle either to protect themselves or to stay warm. Does that mean some dinosaurs were friendly as well? Yes, Ankylosaurus, Lelanosaura, and Mysaura were some friendly dinosaurs. Fact 4. Not all the dinosaurs existed at the same time. It means while new species of dinosaurs emerged, some already went extinct. They were on Earth for a very long time. Fact 5. Some dinosaurs were herbivorous. They used to eat plants only, like Stegosaurus, Triceratops, Brachiosaurus, Diplodocus, and Ankylosaurus. Fact 6. Micropachycephalosaurus was the dinosaur with the biggest name, 23 letters, which is very hard to pronounce. Try it. Fact 7. Scientists believe that birds descended from dinosaurs, specifically a group of dinosaurs known as theropods. Fact 8. Spinosaurus was the biggest meat-eating dinosaur who could swim, unlike other dinosaurs. Another dinosaur that could swim was Ceratosaurus. They could live in water as well as land like crocodiles. Fact 9. Humans and dinosaurs never coexisted. Humans appeared on Earth more than 65 million years after the dinosaurs became extinct. Fact 10. Dinosaur fossils have been found on every continent in the world, which means dinosaurs could live in any climate, from tropical forests to dry sandy deserts. Fact 11. Not all the dinosaur eggs were big. The smallest dinosaur egg was 0.7 inches, which is smaller than the diameter of a penny, while the biggest egg was 19 inches long. Fact 12. Some dinosaurs lived more than 100 years, like Apatosaurus could live for almost 300 years. Fact 13. Dinosaurs were not only gray, green, and brown. There were some colorful dinosaurs like Kahongjuji, also called rainbow dinosaur, and Sinosauropteri, which was orange with white stripes. Fact 14. Baby dinosaurs used to become adult dinosaurs in about 7 or 8 years. They reached their full size. They did not take long to grow up. Fact 15. Dromaeosaurus was the fastest dinosaur, which we estimate ran at speeds of 60 kilometers per hour. Hope you enjoyed getting to know these facts about dinosaurs.